Hello everyone. I really wanted to post a video about Daniel Amarty of Leicester City, and I wanted to say that FA should charge him because what he did after the FA Cup final. As you know that Chelsea has played their last two games against Leicester City. They lost 0-1 in the FA Cup final, and later they beat Leicester City 2-1 in the Premier League. But have not seen the footage because at that time, because it was not live. But after that I saw the footage that one Leicester City player, in fact he is a defender from Ghana, 26-year-old, he took the Chelsea pennant like this and throw it away after the loss of Chelsea. I don't think that it is a nice gesture to do that. I know that you have won your first FA Cup final. Before you, 139 other teams have 139 times other teams have also won the FA Cup. It is not the first time. It is the first time you won, but it is not the last time, and definitely other teams will also going to win from next season and on and on. So you can show your emotion by opening a champagne or running all around the stadium, or even you can throw your boss upwards and catch him or whatever. But you have no right to show disrespect to a team, and by picking their pennant and throwing it like this. And what exactly are you trying to prove by doing that? What exactly? You, Leicester City, are a nobody. You came to Premier League in the 2020, 24, 2014-15 season, and you are in the bottom. 29 games, 19 points. I remember because I was supporting Leicester City to win and stay, unlike Cardiff City. Leicester City, this is a new team, promoted team. I haven't seen a lot of them, and miracle happened in the last 9 games. They won 7 games, drew 1, lost 1, 22 points, 19 points from the first 29 games, and 22 points from the last 9 games. They moved to 41 points and maybe 14th in the table, I guess, and they stayed. The next season they won the Premier League. When they won their Premier League, their manager was Claudio Ranieri. He was a former manager of Chelsea. If I am not mistaken, then he was the manager of Chelsea from 2000 to 2004. In fact, when I first started watching Premier League, it was the Barclays Premier League by then. He was the manager of Chelsea at that time. He was, and he left Chelsea 10-11 years ago, and back in 2015-16 he was their manager because they sacked Nigel Pearson. So they won their first Premier League with our former manager Claudio Ranieri. And when at that season the competition was between only two teams, and that was Leicester City and Tottenham Spurs. So when Chelsea had a game against Spurs, they it ended 0-0, and the next time they met, it was very very interesting game, because if Tottenham is not going to win, then Leicester City will be crowned as champions. If I remember correctly, then it was Chelsea versus Spurs. So it was a home game for Chelsea. So they scored 2 goals. If I remember, Harry Kane and Hong Sung Min, they scored before halftime. It was 0-2 already. And on the 58th minute, Gary Cahill, he was the captain at that time, and he scored in the 58th minute. And still remember the goal Eden Hazard scored for us. It was an amazing goal in the 83rd minute, if I am not mistaken. It was 83rd minute. So when he scored the goal, in fact there was also a battle among Chelsea and Spurs players, and their manager Pochettino came to the field to stop the players because he was desperate to win the title, and it was an interesting game as they were leading 0-2. Eden Hazard scored the goal, and Leicester City players were watching like this. the game because they want to celebrate. They want to celebrate. They want to win the Premier League. And Chelsea scored. Eden Hazard scored, and they began to clap, began to celebrate. Leicester City won their Premier League with our old manager Claudio Ranieri. We scored the goal. Eden Hazard scored the goal. The score was 2-2. Tottenham cannot compete anymore with few 2 or 3 remaining matches. Leicester City crowned. Leicester City were champions. They finished with 81 points. And finally, unfortunately, Spurs lost the last game, so Arsenal moved to 71 points. Spurs finished on 70, and it was really bad season for Chelsea. They finished on 10th with 50 points. So Chelsea, what exactly you are trying to prove, Almaty? What exactly you are trying to prove by throwing away the pennant, Chelsea pennant? What exactly are you trying to prove? If some player, if some supporters are calling some player with names, not bad, but if someone is from Africa or whatever, I guess you can understand what I am trying to say. Then it is racial abuse or whatever. So when you are throwing a pennant, or when you are throwing or disrespecting a flag, it not necessarily have to be your country or your nation, but you are disrespecting that country. It is not good at all. Chelsea is a big club, and it doesn't even mean that if you are throwing a club flag or pennant of Norwich or Bolton Wanderers or Portsmouth, that is good because it symbolizes them. How can you disrespect that? You are now playing for Leicester City. Who knows, in 2-3 seasons you will be playing for Manchester United or Manchester City or maybe Bournemouth or whatever club. You cannot disrespect like that just because you won. I understand that high emotion are running because you won FA Cup for the first time, but this is very disgusting. You should apologize, and FA should take action against Almaty, not for against Chelsea or Leicester City. Why Chelsea? If you have watched the match, last Chelsea match against Leicester City, you can see that at the end of the game, a player gathered and have a fight. Why? Because they saw Daniel Amati. Chelsea player behave like that. They get aggressive because especially Thiago Silva and Mason Mount, they get aggressive and they didn't like what he did. And FA should understand the situation and take action against Almaty itself, not Leicester City or Chelsea. That's all.